Hey, just real quick before we get started, I want to acknowledge I got a comment the other day on one of my videos saying there's too much mumbling and talking to their taste. So I've made a short video for everybody here. I talked. Apologies. I hope it's quick and useful. Enjoy. Today we're checking out the Ishimori Woodstone clarinet reed. Now this is a reed that's been out for a couple years. I'm late to the game on this, but I wanted to check it out because I did notice they've got a high price. Consider me interested. I got to check that out. If the price is high, then maybe this is something worth seeing. And what I found, I bought 3 boxes of reeds with my own money, and they're not bad. They're good. They're good. Let me show you all about them. They're really good looking reeds. You can tell just in how they look when you get them out of the box that they're made with very fine tolerances, and these are I very much sense these are the reeds they want to make. For me, they came out of the box feeling super bright. They did not stay that way. They have turned into a less bright reed than I'm used to. I'm going to play a thing that I was teaching a student the other day, just to give us an example. It's what's open on my computer. So let's check it out. It sounds nice. This is a number 4. I play on a V12 number 4. I don't know if you've ever heard me talk about that before. But in any case, number 4, it does feel about the same in resistance, maybe a little bit more resistance. But now, as I played it more, I feel that more than I do with the V12. But real quick, let's hear the V12. What I get from this reed, this Vandoren V12, is about the same amount of resistance, but kind of just more sound. I find it works more evenly between the registers because it's producing more sound. But before we go any further, let's look at the evidence of this through the use of the Tonal Energy app. We're going to see what overtones each note has when the overlay brightens up the name of the reed. That's the one that I'm playing in that moment. I've played up in fourths, starting on low F sharp, up to high F. And let's see how they sound. Let's experiment with articulation. See how they feel. That feels absolutely normal because that is the reed I always play. Let's try this Woodstone that I was just playing on. I'm interested to see after this video is made how closely they sound to one another. But in terms of feel, and again, it could just be what I am used to, but this V12 certainly feels a lot like I'm inside a lot more sound. You know, so much of this, like this just feels like I'm where I belong when I play a Vandoren V12 number 4. That's why I always play this reed. I love how this reed feels. This Woodstone reed feels totally fine to me. Is it, then that kind of answers the question. Is it worth the extra cost? To me, no. But this might be the right reed for somebody on some setup in some way. Because, you know, we're all different. And this is worth a shot. If for some reason the V12 isn't the perfect reed for you, sorry to hear that, but it is for me, and I'm going to keep using it. I'm not going to switch to this more expensive reed. But if you're looking for something a little different, maybe something that is a little bit darker. But again, I don't want to say this reed isn't dark. I feel like this reed has a full complement of overtones in it. Like there's just more sound in it, which makes it respond a lot more lively, but also it maybe sounds a little brighter. I don't know. You tell me. But these Woodstone reeds are good. I'm not going to play them. But they're good. Should you buy them? I don't know. I'll leave that up to you. Of course, I will leave links in the description. And if you don't know, these are affiliate links, which gives me a little bit of money. So if you enjoy my videos and you want me to make a little bit of money without costing you any money, use those links for everything you buy, every clarinet-related product. Would you? That would be great. That would help me out a lot. Anyway, my final verdict is good. But like that. Good. Whatever that means. All right. Thanks for watching, and we'll come back with some more stuff again soon.